Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Nissan 370Z. Start by turning the audio system on, then press the phone or Bluetooth button on the dash. Use the rotary or touch controls to open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and select the vehicle name shown on screen, then confirm the matching PIN to complete pairing and test audio and call functions. Begin by opening Bluetooth settings on your phone and make it discoverable so the 370Z can find it quickly. Close active audio apps to avoid connection conflicts and clear old vehicle entries from your phone if pairing fails. Use the car interface to scan and pick your phone name, accept the PIN, then allow contacts and messages to sync for hands-free calling and caller ID functionality. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs with many devices and makes managing music and smart home features simple. Imagine continuing your driving playlist seamlessly at home. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy through it, you help the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing stalls, restart both your phone and the car audio system to clear temporary glitches. Confirm software updates are current on your phone and the vehicle to ensure compatibility. If problems persist, delete the Bluetooth profile in both the car and phone, then reinitiate pairing procedure step by step to reset the connection and restore stable audio streaming and hands-free calling features in the 370Z.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.